So you want to start moving your character around with the arrow keys. How on earth do we do that? First of all, we go to the events blocks. Then we're going to drag in 4 when spaced key is pressed. I like to lay mine out like the arrow keys on my keyboard. We're going to change the top one to up arrow. We're going to change the bottom one to down arrow, the right one to right arrow, and the left one to left arrow. Now, if I press the flag and start pressing the up, down, left, and right keys on my keyboard, nothing is happening, and that is because we've not told Scratch what to do when we press these buttons. So let's go to the motion blocks. Now, you could use move steps for the right and left arrows. It would work, but we're going to talk about the X and Y axis. In Scratch, to move left and right, you are moving along the X axis. If you want to go to the right, you need to go up in positive numbers. If you want to move to the left, you are going to go down in negative numbers. So if we want to move right, we are going to change X by 10. To move left, we are going to change X by negative 10. And you can find the button for a negative sign or a minus sign next to the 0 on your keyboard. So if I press in here and then I tap the minus sign, now I have minus 10. To move up and down in Scratch, we are moving along the Y axis. And if you want to go up, you are going up in positive numbers, and if you want to go down, you need to move down in negative numbers. So we're going to do change Y by 10 for the up arrow, and then we're going to do change Y by negative 10 for the down arrow. Again, the negative sign or the minus sign is next to the 0 on your keyboard. If I press the flag now, and I do up, down, left, and right, my character is now moving with the arrow keys. Well done.